Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safrin. In today's video we will be styling my hair. So I will be showing you how to straighten your hair at home in a very simple way. So yeah, if you do like this video, then hit the subscribe button, follow me on my Instagram, and without any further ado, let's get started. Now I do have frizzy hair. If you guys can see, I have pretty frizzy hair, but today since I've used the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, my hair looks a little okay, but normally they're super frizzy. So for straightening, I'm using this Ikonic Titanium Plate Straightener. I'm setting it on 190 degrees, and now we'll start. So first I'm sectioning my hair right above my ears. I'm just taking a crown section like this. I'm gonna twist this and put a duck clip here. Next step, I'm going to use a heat protection spray. This is from Osis, and I'm applying it on the sections where I'm about to straighten. Now for straightening, I definitely need a tail comb. It's not important you need a tail comb, any comb works fine, but the tail comb has very small bristles, so it is very easy for you to straighten the hair. Okay, so let me show you guys how I exactly started it. So I'm taking a small section here. First I'm going to detangle this section to make sure there's no tangle in it when I'm straightening, because that will definitely give you a little bit of pain. Now I'm just holding the comb in one hand, and on the other hand I'm just using my straightener. Now if you can see, I'm taking the straightener very slow because I want the straightening effect in one go. I don't want to redo the straightening multiple times on the same section, which will give me a very bad hair damage. So this is what the before and after looks like. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Few things to remember here is you should never straighten your hair on a wet hair. Your hair should be 100% dry. Today what I did was I just took a shower, I air dried my hair, but if that's not the case, you can also use a hair dryer to dry your hair first, and then you can start straightening. Wet, if you just use wet hair to straighten your hair, it's gonna give you a lot of hair damage. Now the last thing is that I'm going to take another section here like this, and I'm taking small partitions in this. Now when you're taking the partition, it depends on your straightener. Honestly, if you guys can see, I have my straightener has broad plates, so I'm taking bigger sections, but if you have a small straightener, then you can comparatively take smaller sections. Now talking about this hair straightener, this is a very good hair straightener, slightly on the expensive side, but it's amazing straightener because it has broader plates and it makes my job very easy. I don't have to spend hours together just to straighten my hair like any other straightener. Second thing is it has amazing temperature option. It starts right from 130 degrees to 230 degrees. That reminds me that if you have colored hair or damaged hair, then take your temperature should be somewhere around 170 to 180. But then if you have natural hair, then definitely you can go on the fullest heat, that is 220 230. Now yeah, also the straightener has a beautiful edge, if you can see, which means I can also use the straightener for curling my hair, for which I'm gonna make a separate video. So overall I've took 3 layers to straighten my hair. In the 3 layers I've divided small sections, and then I'm just taking my tail comb in one hand, and on the other hand I have my hair straightener, and I'm straightening them. And when every time I straighten a section, I'm making sure to move the straightener very slow, because I want my hair straightened in one go and I don't want to redo the multiple times thing. Okay, and also I'm not taking my straightener very close to my root, because that can give you a discomfort or you can feel a lot of heat. At least give 1 inch of gap when you're straightening your hair, and then you can take it right till the tip of the length of your hair. So I'm going to do one additional step here to create a little bit of volume in the front part of my hair. So what I'm doing exactly here is I will take smaller sections like this. Okay, so like I was telling, I'm going to take smaller sections like this from the front of my forehead, and I'm going to straighten this section alone. So what happens is it gives me a little bit of bounce and volume also, but generally straighteners are not meant to give you volume. They always make your hair look flat. Taking the same thing till the tip of my hair, and that's it, you guys. This is what my hair looks like, but this is not the final look. One more step, which is a serum. You guys can use any hair serum. The serum I'm using here is the one from Streaks, and it is a walnut range, I think so. So I'm applying the serum into my hair, and that's it, you guys. This is my final look now. All the products are given in the description below, so you guys can check and place a order if you want. Now I'm enjoying the final look of this, and this is what my daily routine is like. This. So if you did enjoy watching this video, then hit the subscribe button, follow me on my Instagram, and I'm coming up with more such amazing videos. Take care, you guys. Bye.